Hi guys, it's Gareth from Silent Push, and I'd like to show you how to use our free community edition to view the number of historic name server changes for a specific domain and how to pivot through the data. Name server entropy is basically a concept that represents the recency, frequency, and number of name server changes. It's useful for all kinds of reasons, not least when attempting to ascertain the risk level of a domain IOC. So to get the data, very straightforward, we're going to navigate to Explore DNS Data, domain name server changes, and create new. So let's first use a real world IOC to demonstrate a basic change. Then we're going to look into a larger domain to show the breadth of data available. Very straightforward, just enter the domain, click search, no parameters. Here we have the results. So they're broken down into various categories. We've got an entropy score, which is a visual representation of the frequency, recency, and number of changes. We've got the number of changes as a numerical value. We've got changes within the last 90 days broken down into 6 periods. We've got the last change and a detailed breakdown of the change or changes, which includes the actual name servers involved and the density. So let's take a look at a larger domain, Microsoft.com, click search. So here we've got a detailed sequential timeline of all name server changes from 2020 through to the present day. Okay, which is with the last change being 491 days ago. Wherever you see the blue lookup passive DNS button, you can also perform a one-click pivot that displays all domains associated with a chosen name server with risk scores. We've got name server hash values that you can copy and record-specific data as well. Silent Push Enterprise users can save all this information to a feed, or they can monitor and save the actual results. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe for more tips, and feel free to email info@silentpush.com with any queries.